There are many ways to maintain a healthy life. Here are some tips to consider. Tips 1. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is important for maintaining good health. Tips 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is important for maintaining a healthy weight, reducing stress, and improving overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, most days of the week. Tips 3. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for physical and mental health. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and children and teenagers need even more. Tips 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on your physical and mental health. Find ways to manage stress such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature. Tips 5. Avoid harmful substances. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and other harmful substances. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for maintaining good health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Tip 7. Practice good hygiene. Regular hand washing, brushing your teeth twice a day, and other good hygiene practices can help prevent the spread of illness. Tips 8. Maintain social connections. Social connections are important for maintaining good mental health. Make time for family and friends, and participate in social activities. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.